Eh?
So, we're going to start a new segment where once a week we will take 2 smashed words and create an animal, creature, whatever you want to call it. I think creature would be better. But eventually we'd like it if you guys could help us by giving us suggestions, like whatever is like the top liked in our comments we will use. But since we don't really have anybody quite yet, we decided to come up with it, and we will until we get suggestions. So this week we have the snifflenoob.
A snifflenoob. Isn't that sexy? Mm. It's like this weird, like, snake worm type spiel
that will crawl up your nose.
Yeah, and
lay its mucus eggs.
And then once it gets into your nose, it like goes into your system and turns like all your like hair and your eyes all like this really weird red, like not like this, but like a brighter red. And yeah, it makes you look really funky, and it makes you sneeze, so hence sniffle. And they're not very friendly, so don't piss them off.
So yeah, this concludes our random animal, but please subscribe and leave comments below on animals, or just mix 2 random words you can think of.
And make sure they're appropriate.
Even if they're not. We don't have to do them if they're not bad, but some of them will just end up hilarious, I have a feeling. So, adios.
See ya.